Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as the isomerism. So we take the lecture here, isomerism. Yesterday we take the how to name the benzene containing compound called as a mono, di and tri. So these are nomenclature of the all organic compound we finish here. But today we discuss here the new subtopic of a same unit that is called as the isomerism. What we take here? That is called as the isomerism. So what is a isomerism? We discuss here the first question. This is a very important question, exam point of view as well as the CET examination. What is the isomerism? ठीक है बेटा? So the isomerism is defined as the two compound which have the same molecular formula. So the two compound or two molecule which have the same molecular formula. So it is called as the isomers to each other and the process called as the isomerism. So the two compound or molecule which have the same molecular formula, these two compound are chemically isomer to each other. The process called as the isomerism. So the two compound which have same molecular formula called as isomerism. What are called as the isomerism. So the two compound or molecule which have the same molecular formula called as the isomerism. So what is molecular formula? So the molecular formula is defined, you know that definition of molecular formula. So the molecular formula defined as the how many actual atom in the compound called as the molecular formula. ठीक है? For example, the molecular formula of methane is what here? CH4. So how many actual number of atom? How many actual number of atom in the molecule called as the molecular formula? So the molecular formula of methane is what here beta? CH4. So the two compound which have the similar molecular formula called as the what here? Isomerism. So we take the for example here. So we take the example of the isomerism. Which compound to compound show the what is isomerism? So we take the example here. First CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH double bond CH2. Clear? Or it's also right in the form what here beta? It's also right as this double bond are shifted to this carbon. So what we get here? We get here CH3 this CH double bond what here? The CH2 single bond what we take here? The CH3. It means these hydrogen are shifted to this carbon and this one hydrogen are shifted to this carbon. So what we get? CH3 this CH3 this CH this CH this 1H this 1H what we take here? CH2 and remaining part what here? The CH3. So it is called as what here? How many carbon? So it contain how many carbon? So it's also right in the form of what here? CH2 double bond here CH2. Clear? So here CH3 as it is, this 1H shifted to this H and this H shifted to this H. So what we take here? How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon called as the butene. What here? Butene is a member of alkene. Why alkene? It contains carbon-carbon double bond called as alkene. Butene, it's also butene. If you write IUPAC name, so double bond start with which carbon है? Carbon number first, second, third, fourth. Here first, second, third, fourth. So it's write one butene or one but ene और थर्ड नेम क्या था बेटा? ब्यूट 1 ene. It is called what here beta? Butene or what we take here? 2 butene. or what here? But 2-ene, it is a isocyanates. So the compound which have the what here beta? Same, the two compound which have the same molecular formula. So this compound same molecular formula. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we take the what here? C4. How many hydrogen? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 9. C4H9. Clear? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 9. It's the C4H9. Here how many carbons? C4H9. So the two compound which have the what here? It is called as the molecular formula. It is also what is beta? Molecular formula. The two compound which have the same molecular formula called as what? So these two compound is called as what here? Show the isomerism. So two compound which have the same molecular formula called as the isomerism. So these two compound, both compound which have same molecular formula but name is different, it is called as what here? But 1-ene, it is called what? But 2-ene. Position of the double bond is changed. Clear? So the isomerism is what here? So two compound or molecule which have the same molecular formula called as what here? The isomerism. It means the but 1-ene and but 2-ene are show the what? Isomers to each other. And this process called as the isomerism. And those compound which show the isomerism called as the isomers. So these two compound show the what here? Isomerism or isomers. Clear? Hai? What is isomers? Two compound which is the same molecular formula called as the isomers to each other. And the process called as isomerism or isomerizations. Okay, beta? Now the isomers or isomerism which have the two types. So isomerism which have the especially two types. So we take the point here, types of isomerism. So the especially the isomerism with two types. First called as, beta first point called as structural isomerism. What here beta? Is structural isomerism. First, what is the structural isomerism? So the two compound, it may be same or different compound, two compound or molecule which have the same molecular formula but different structural formula called as what here beta? The structural isomerism. So two compound or molecule, it may be both same or different, which have the same molecular formula but different structural formula called as a structural isomerism. So the two compound which have same molecular formula, short form we take the MF, but different structural formula, short for SF. MF called as molecular formula, SF called as structural formula. So the compound which have the same molecular formula but different structural formula called as what? Called as the structural isomerism. So called as the structural isomerism. Clear बेटा? यानी दो कंपाउंड ऐसे रहेंगे जिसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला सेम रहेगा और स्ट्रक्चर कैसा डिफरेंट रहेगा, उससे क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? व्हाट हियर? स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म. फॉर एग्जांपल, which compound which is same molecular formula different structural formula we take here? So we take example here, the CH3OCH3. This CH3OCH3 are changes into CH3 single bond CH2OH. So you know the O is called as what? The functional group of the ether, where the OH is called as the functional group of what here beta? Alcohol. Clear है? So to changing the ether into alcohol, so the compound which is same molecular formula, how many carbon? 1, 2, C2. How many hydrogen? H6O. So C2H6O is a molecular formula of what here? Ether. Where is also what here? C2H6O. What here? C2H6O, it's also have the molecular formula what here, the alcohol. What here beta? Alcohol. So two compound which has same molecular formula but different structural formula. Here it is the ether, it is the alcohol. Molecular formula are same but structure is what here different. This is the ether, is the alcohol. That's why this ether and alcohol are show the what here is structural what here formula, or what here the structural isomerism. So the two compound which have the same molecular formula but different structural formula called as what here but structural isomerism. Clear है? तो first we take the what here beta isomerism. What is isomerism? The two compound which have the same molecular formula called as isomerism. For example, butane or 1-butane and 2-butane which have the same molecular formula. So these two compound are show the isomers or show the isomerism in nature. Next here, what is the structural types of isomerism? First, structural isomerism. So the compound which have the what here beta same molecular formula but different structural formula called as structural isomerism. So ether which have the molecular formula C2H6O, alcohol which have the formula same C2H6O. Two compound with the same molecular formula but different structure. Here ether is a alcohol called structural isomerism. Clear है? The structural isomerism further divided into the 4 categories. First called is what here the chain isomerism. ठीक है. Second is called as the position isomerism. Next called is what here the functional isomerism. Third, fourth is called a tautomerism. So this fourth is a classification of structural isomerism. Clear है? ओके बेटा. तो अब इसमें हम देखने वाले हैं बेटा टाइप्स ऑफ स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म. सो स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म हैव द 4 टाइप्स. फर्स्ट व्हाट है बेटा द फर्स्ट कॉल्ड इज व्हाट है बेटा तो फर्स्ट कॉल्ड एज द चेन आइसोमेरिज्म. सेकंड इज कॉल्ड एज द पोजिशनल आइसोमेरिज्म और पोजिशन आइसोमेरिज्म. थर्ड called as the functional isomerism and fourth called as tautomerism. These fourth are the classification or dividation of the structural formula. Clear है? क्वेश्चन ऐसा था आपको what is isomerism? Explain the types of structural isomerism. The structural isomerism has the 4 types: chain isomerism, position isomerism, then next is what here functional isomerism, fourth called as tautomerism. Or define the following term: isomerism, structural isomerism, chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, or last year tautomerism. Now we take the what types of isomerism. So first types of isomerism we take the what structural isomerism. Structural isomerism the 4 types which are the 4 types जो आपको मैं समझाने वाला. अब देखो हम नेक्स्ट देखते हैं नेक्स्ट वाला टाइप्स ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म. फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म एंड द सेकंड हैव द व्हाट हियर बेटा सेकंड इज कॉल्ड स्टेरियो आइसोमेरिज्म. स्टेरियो आइसोमेरिज्म. व्हाट हियर स्टेरियो isomerism. It is the types of isomer specially. First type structural isomerism. Second type what is stereo isomerism. What is stereo isomerism? So the two compound which have the what here the two compound which have the same structural formula. The two compound which have the same structural formula but arrangement of atom in a compound is different, or special arrangement of atom in a compound called is what here stereoisomerism. The two compound which have the same structural formula but special arrangement of atom in a compound or group called as what stereoisomerism. So the two compound which have same SF called structural formula but spatial arrangement of the spatial arrangement of atom in a molecule or compound called as the stereoisomerism. So the two compound which have the same SF structural formula but spatial arrangement of atom in a molecule called as the what here called as beta stereoisomerism. The stereoisomerism further divided into two types. First called as the geometrical isomerism and second is called as the optical isomerism. ठीक है बेटा, तो हम लोग उसको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. अभी क्या देखे हमने, आइसोमेरिज्म इज व्हाट, टाइप्स ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म, स्पेशल टू टाइप्स, मेन टाइप्स ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म. फर्स्ट कॉल्ड इज द स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म and second is called as the stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism which has the same molecular formula, different structural formula called as the structural isomerism. Structural isomerism also have the four types: chain isomerism, positional isomerism, functional isomerism and what here the next called is what here the tautomerism. वो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. Same thing, the main types of isomerism called as stereoisomerism. The special what here the two compound with the same structural formula but different arrangement of atom in a molecule called is what is stereoisomerism. It have two types. First called is what here the geometrical isomerism, second is called as optical isomerism. तो ये जो बाकी के जो पोर्शन है बेटा हम लोग उसको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.